Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So someone online had asked me about which one is better, the Tozo HT2. This one is one that has noise cancellation over the ear, or Soundcore Space 1. And so today I want to do a little comparison between these two. I won't go into super in-depth. If you want one of those, you probably want to just look at the review on these. But today I just want to do a little sound test comparison. And so make sure you have your headphones on, guys. We're going to do a noise cancellation test. And let's talk about a little spec on this thing. So the Tozo HT2 will last you 40 hours with noise cancellation on, obviously. Why would you not have noise cancellation on, right? Anyway, 40 hours. And the Space 1 from Soundcore will last you 42 hours, so a little bit more. Obviously, that is only on paper, all right? But yeah, it probably does have a little bit bigger battery, and that's how they measure it. And yes, those numbers right there are both with noise cancellation on, all right? Now, I want to get right into it, and I want to do a little sound test for you guys so that you guys can hear the sound quality of this, plus noise cancellation, all right? So once again, have your headphones on. I'm going to turn on some airplane background noise so that we can do some noise cancellation tests. Let's go. Okay, so right now, as you can hear, I have some background noise. Sound like I'm on an airplane having my cocktail, or if you're in coach, your peanuts and Coke. So anyway, yeah, it's on right now. I turn it on really loud. Hopefully you guys can hear that. So right now what I'm doing is I'm using my 3D binaural headphone that you can actually listen to like 3D sound. Okay, so things that are in front and the back, you can hear it, all right? Now, what I want to do is I want to turn on the Tozo. So let's see what mode I'm on first.
ANC off.
So this is ANC off.
Pass through.
It says pass through.
ANC on.
Noise cancellation on. Okay, so next, let's try out the Soundcore Space 1. Let's see what mode is on.
Noise cancelling.
This is noise cancelling on.
Transparency.
So this is transparency. It has a mic where it lets the sound in.
Noise cancelling.
And noise cancelling. Okay, so that's noise cancelling test right there between the Tozo HT2 and the Space 1 from Soundcore. Next, let's do a little music so that you guys can kind of listen and hear how these sound. Let me hook it up. Okay, so both of these are hooked up to my Spotify, so I'm gonna go ahead and let's see which one I want to do first. Let's do Space One. Yeah, let's do Space One first. Let's see what mode I'm on first.
Transparency.
So this is transparency.
Noise canceling.
There you go, noise canceling. Now let's grab Spotify and all right. Okay, here we go. First song. Oh. So this is full blast. Actually, I want to do it like 80%. Not sure if you heard that bass, but that's pretty hard right there. All right, now Tozo HT2.
ANC off. Pass through. ANC on.
Okay, so now ANC is on. I'm gonna play the same song. So make sure I have it on 80%. Okay, so that's with noise cancellation on both of these. Not sure if you guys noticed, but the Space One does have more kick to the bass. I have this thing plugged into my ear, so I can't really tell if the music is better one or the other. Anyway, let me know what you guys think about these. Someone asked Space One versus HT2 from Tozo. Which one's better? So there you have it. That's my video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.